Hell yeah.
Yo, Cuts by Reggie. Another video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share, all the good stuff, right? And if you are wondering, yes, the Tennessee Volunteers are 8-0. I know it's been a while, but we here. 8-0. We've took down Kentucky, Florida, Alabama, Pittsburgh, some other no names, and we rocking. We got Georgia next though, so I'll holler at y'all about that next week, all right? But so this video gonna be a little different. It's not a review or unboxing or anything, so if you don't want to watch it, go ahead and click off. And I'm gonna try not to be here long, but y'all know how I like to ramble. So I just want to say, in the barber community, especially now that not everything, but there is a lot of online community. Everybody talking with each other. Everybody's coming together. Like, I've met a lot of good people through just YouTube and Instagram and stuff, like Tank, Jay Blends, Sean Cuts Hair, Rum Barber, like Concise. Like, I've met a lot of people through being on YouTube. So with that, you will run into people that's not really, for lack of better words, they're scammers, right? So as y'all know, I buy a lot of different clippers. But with me also buying clippers, if I see somebody that custom makes clippers, custom make products, and my urge to spend money on new products or different products, I'm going to pay some people to customize some products. But what that has led into is me paying for products and not receiving my product. So what's happening is I'm buying and spending $300, $400, even up to $700 on products and not getting them. I'm not gonna name the people that I've worked with. I'm not gonna name those folks, but the main point of this video is just to tell people, be careful with who you buy from. You get what I'm saying? Make sure, and I can't even say make sure they're legit, because the couple of people that fucked me over seem legit. There are two people that, and it's on me because I didn't pay attention. It's two people that I have paid for custom products for over a year ago, and I have yet to receive it. My thing is, as long as you keep communication with me, I'm gonna be cool. You get what I'm saying? I don't care if it's 2-3 years. If you keep in communication and it's shit happening, it's happening. I might not be happy about it, but I understand it. But these two or three people has just dropped communication. You get what I'm saying? And it makes it even worse when I see that you are still making products for other people. Maybe people with names. Maybe people with the exposure you can gain. You get what I'm saying? But from those people, I won't use those people no more. And I'm not going to get on here and spew out names and stuff. I'm just telling y'all, be careful who you work with. Then there's two other people that I have worked with, customized, and then I got the product, and then I have a problem with the product. Either it don't work, it's missing a charger, it don't have the right blade on it. You get what I'm saying? And again, this is over a couple thousands of dollars that I have put out because I'm wanting to support the community. I'm wanting to be in this this growth of the barber and the barber world. But through those people, I have dialed back on trying to purchase customized products. So all I'm saying is just be careful who you buy from. They are scammers out here. Shout out to Detroit Clipper Mod. Detroit Clipper Mod, of course, you got Filthy Blends. Like, those folks that work on certain things, elite clipper modifications. Like, there are some good people out there that are doing custom products or just modifications of things and doing it on a good business level. The few that I've worked with, some of y'all know, and then if y'all see this video, the people that I've bought from, y'all know who y'all are too. I'm not going to name no names. I'm just saying, be careful who you buy stuff from. Because I don't think it's cool. I don't think it's right. And then it's even funnier because you can notice. So if I purchase something from you and I say, I want this clipper done this way, but then you see somebody, bigger name, bigger audience, bigger exposure, but they get a custom clipper or a custom product of something that came out after you have already put in your order, that shit ain't cool. That's foul. That's foul. You get what I'm saying? So with that being said, just look out who you buying from. A few people know who I'm talking about, and the people that I'm talking about, they'll see this video, maybe, I don't know. Because I don't block nobody. I don't care to block because blocking people don't even, what is that going to do for me? It's going to do nothing. Who cares, right? So I've had a back and forth with a couple people. And for a little bit, they had the communication. And I don't mind that. But if you give me a certain time limit, and then at that, let's say I order something, you tell me it's going to take 6 months. At that 6 month time period, I message you and be like, yo, is everything cool? Blah, 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 right? And you say, well, I got the wrong machine, so-and-so, I got the wrong motor, the motor wasn't doing this. I'm cool, because I do have a lot of stuff going on as well, so I can understand how stuff happens. But if I'm contacting you a year later, almost 2 years later, and you are either not messaging me or still saying the same stuff, I don't mind the communication. But after a while, it's like, and I don't mind all this stuff that I've bought that I haven't got or that's messed up, I just chalk it up as a loss. It is what it is. I got fucked. I got scammed. It happened, right? It's like when the folks call your phone and be like, hey, you have won, or you got free insurance, call this, da-da-da, and I done gave my information. I done gave them my money. So I'm not gonna dwell on that. I'm just going to say, be careful who y'all buy from. I think it's messed up that y'all jump into this, show off some work that you've done, get money from people. And I've talked to other people that has also worked with you as well. And then y'all don't communicate. But that's it. Just be careful who you buy from. Yeah. If you stayed here to the end of this video, I appreciate you. It's just a little conversation. But if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share all the good stuff, right? And if you dislike the video, dislike the video. Peace. Teddy!